In the intricate world of financial management, precision, planning, and clear visualization are not just desirable, they are absolutely essential. Whether you're tracking budget allocations, managing investment portfolios, overseeing financial audits, or coordinating large-scale mergers and acquisitions, having a clear roadmap of tasks, deadlines, and dependencies is crucial for success. This is where tools like Gantt charts become invaluable. So, for those of us navigating the complex waters of finance, the question often arises: does ClickUp, a popular project management platform, offer Gantt charts? The answer, thankfully, is a resounding yes. ClickUp absolutely offers Gantt charts. And not just as a basic feature, but as a robust and highly functional tool that can be a game changer for finance professionals and teams. For anyone looking to understand, plan, and execute financial projects with greater clarity and control, ClickUp's Gantt chart functionality is a powerful ally. What is a Gantt chart and why does it matter in finance? Before diving into ClickUp's specific features, let's briefly recap what a Gantt chart is and why it holds such significance in financial project management. A Gantt chart is a horizontal bar chart that visually represents a project schedule. On the left side, you typically have a list of tasks, while the horizontal axis represents time. Each task is depicted as a bar, whose length indicates the duration of the task. Key elements of a Gantt chart include tasks and subtasks, breaking down large projects into manageable steps. Durations, clearly showing how long each task is expected to take. Start and end dates, defining the timeline for each activity. Dependencies, illustrating the relationships between tasks, e.g., Task B cannot start until Task A is finished. This is critical in finance, where many processes are sequential. Milestones, marking significant points or deliverables in the project lifecycle, such as budget approval, quarterly report submission, or audit completion. Progress tracking, visualizing how much of each task and the overall project has been completed. For financial management, Gantt charts provide unparalleled benefits. Clear financial timelines, visualize when different financial activities, e.g., forecasting, reporting cycles, expense reviews, payroll processing, are scheduled to occur. This is particularly useful for recurring tasks with strict deadlines. Dependency management. In finance, many tasks are interdependent. For example, you can't finalize a financial report until all departmental expenditures have been submitted and reconciled. Gantt charts clearly show these relationships, preventing delays and ensuring logical progression. Resource allocation and budget monitoring. By seeing task durations and dependencies, you can better allocate financial analysts, accountants, or other resources. While ClickUp itself doesn't directly manage financial accounts like an accounting software, its Gantt charts can be integrated with custom fields for budgeting, allowing you to visually track budget allocation against specific tasks. Risk identification. Spotting potential bottlenecks or overallocations of resources becomes easier. If a critical financial analysis task has a short timeline and many dependencies, you can identify it as a high-risk area early on. Stakeholder communication. Presenting complex financial project plans to stakeholders, e.g., board members, department heads, is much clearer with a visual Gantt chart than with a dense spreadsheet. It fosters transparency and alignment. ClickUp's Gantt chart capabilities. A finance perspective. ClickUp offers a powerful Gantt view that allows you to translate your financial project plans into an intuitive visual timeline. Here's how it caters to the needs of finance professionals. Creating your financial project timeline. You can easily create a Gantt view within any space, folder, or list in ClickUp. This means you can have a dedicated Gantt chart for a specific audit, a quarterly financial close process, or even a detailed investment analysis project. Tasks that have start and due dates will automatically appear on the Gantt chart, making setup straightforward. Visualizing task dependencies. This is perhaps the most critical feature for finance. ClickUp allows you to establish various types of dependencies between tasks, e.g., finish to start, where one task must complete before another begins. For a financial audit, you might have gathering bank statements as a predecessor to reconciling bank accounts. When you move a task, ClickUp can automatically reschedule dependent tasks, saving immense time and preventing manual errors that are costly in finance.